Hi students, so here I'll just go ahead and draw the structure out for your fourth unknown for experiment 9, molecular shapes. Basically has multiple central atoms, so it has 2 carbons. And then on this carbon, it has 3 hydrogens, so I'll just go to hydrogen. 1, 2, 3. And I'll make this a little smaller so we can see it. And then on this carbon, it has a nitrogen, but it's a triple bond. So I'll click on triple bonds. And it still showed the carbon, so I'll go ahead and click on nitrogen to substitute it. And then you can also see that the nitrogen's in blue because they're color-coded. And then I can render it to the 3D model of it. And that's what I like. And I see right here the 3D model. And again, I have multiple central atoms, the carbon bound to the nitrogen and the carbon bound to the hydrogens are central atoms. And we see that they definitely have different molecular geometries based on the number of electron groups that are attached to them. Or you can look at it as the number of atoms. So, hope that helps you. And again, that's unknown 4, experiment 9, molecular shapes. And remember, your Lewis dot structure has to incorporate lone pairs, as the 2D model does not, and neither does the 3D model in this program. Thanks.